Every once in a while, something truly spectacular hits the market that absolutely blows me away. This home epitomizes Southern California beach living at its finest. Welcome to this large double lot and over 100 feet of frontage located in beautiful Solana Beach, California. In San Diego, we call this the boardroom. This place is spectacular. Room for your surfboards, hang your wetsuits after you've come back from the beach, take a warm shower, enter the home. I absolutely love this space. When you're not surfing, you're probably continuing your active lifestyle. This outdoor gym is the perfect place to do so. With San Diego's perfect weather year-round, you can use this every day. This double lot affords a ton of outdoor space. From basketball to pickleball, you can do it all in this yard. One of the most important features on this property is the fully certified seawall. That wall is over 30 feet tall and is going to protect this home for years to come. The views on this property are truly spectacular. To the north, you can see Dana Point. To the south, you can see La Jolla. With over 100 feet of frontage, the width of this view and the sunsets are truly spectacular.